Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric hot air gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is DeWalt D26411 D26414. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, D26411 D26414. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Weight, 0.8. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is WorkPro 2000W VDE Plug. Specifications. Brand name, WorkPro. Model number, W125123AS. Usage, commercial manufacture. Rated output power, 2000 watts. Feature, cool, hot air, temperature adjustable. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Industrial Electric Hot Air Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Lefevre. Model number, QR611A. Usage, commercial manufacture. No load speed, 1800 RPM. Is customized, yes. Air volume, 250 to 500. Rated output power, 2000 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Weight, 0.8 kilograms. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is Adjustable Heat Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Hupar Tools. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Model number, HG01. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Usage, home DIY. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS, WE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Cordless Heat Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Mace Plus. Usage, home DIY. Is customized, yes. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Temperature range, 50 degrees Celsius - 550 degrees Celsius. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.